Welcome to this tutorial on playing a video over multiple slides in PowerPoint. Begin by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Once the program launches, locate and open the presentation where you wish to integrate your video. This is the primary step that gets you into the environment where all subsequent actions will take place. After you have your presentation open, the next step is to find the video that you want to play across multiple slides. Take a moment to click on your video and focus on it. With the video selected, press the Control key and the letter C simultaneously. This key combination copies the video to your clipboard, allowing you to reuse it later by pasting it in a different location. This simple act of copying prepares the video for subsequent placement in the slide master view. Now shift your attention to the View tab at the top of the PowerPoint window. Clicking on this tab reveals a range of viewing and editing options. In this section, select the Slide Master option, which is a powerful feature designed to let you make universal changes across your entire presentation. The Slide Master is particularly useful when you want an element such as your video to appear consistently throughout multiple slides without having to add it individually to each slide. Once you are in Slide Master view, navigate to the first slide, as this will be the primary slide that sets the template for the remaining slides in your presentation. On this first slide, paste the video that you copied earlier. Pasting places the video within the master slide layout, ensuring that it is embedded in the framework that every subsequent slide will follow. With your video now in place on the first master slide, the next focus is to configure how the video starts during your presentation. To achieve this, right-click on the video. This action will open a context menu that provides several playback options. From the menu presented, select the option labelled Start. Following this, choose the setting that says Automatically. Opting for an automatic start means that the video will begin playing as soon as the slide is displayed, without requiring any additional clicks or interaction during your presentation. By setting the video to play automatically and positioning it in the slide master, you establish a seamless effect where the video continues across multiple slides. This method enhances the overall flow of your presentation, ensuring that your audience experiences a continuous video playback as they progress from one slide to the next. The approach not only saves time but also elevates the viewer's experience by reducing interruptions. In summary, begin by opening your PowerPoint presentation, then find and copy your video using the Control and C shortcut. Next, access the Slide Master via the View tab and navigate to the first slide, where you are to paste the video. Finally, right-click on the video, choose the Start option and set it to play automatically. With these steps complete, your video will seamlessly play over multiple slides, enriching your presentation with smooth, continuous playback. Enjoy creating presentations that captivate your audience with this easy yet effective PowerPoint technique.